Here's my quick review of the RockJam digital piano keyboard. I wanted a good keyboard to help teach my kids how to play the piano, and this one is great with all the features that it comes with. It comes with its own sustain pedal, its own pair of headphones, a really easy to use user guide that gives you all the great functionality of this keyboard, plus these awesome stickers that you can stick on the keys themselves along with a little additional training on the back. The keyboard stand was really easy to set up. It took me about 3 minutes to assemble in full. It's really easy to turn on, and here's how it sounds. There are so many great features of this keyboard, including 200 rhythms, 200 different tones or voices, and it has the ability to record and play back what you've played. You can layer over it. There are so many great features and things that you can do with this keyboard. It's been a really great tool to help my young kids learn how to play the piano. They love doing it separate and together, and they're very encouraged to continue learning by adding the great stickers on the notes as they learn them. As a classically trained pianist, even I like to dabble on here every so often. Whether you're a beginner or a skilled piano player, the RockJam digital keyboard is a great solution for you.